Sequence arithmetic progression. Before starting this one, we have to learn what is sequence. Sequence means the a list of number or object in a specific order is called sequence. Okay, suppose you can see 357 is a sequence. Why? Because look, it is starting from 3 and increasing 2 each time. Okay, it is not, it is following a some order. Okay, it can be either ascending or descending order, anything, but sometimes it's increasing, sometimes decreasing. No, it should follow something specific order, right? So 3579 will call sequence because it is starting from 3 and it is having a constant increasing, that is 2. Can anyone tell me 49, this part, is this a sequence? Is this a sequence? 4 9 16 25. Can anyone tell me, is this a sequence? Is this a sequence? 4 9 16 25. Is it following any particular order? 4 9 6 16 25. Is it following any particular order? Anyone? Is it following any particular order? Yes, what order? Can you tell me what order? Yes, exactly. So they are also sequence. They are also sequence because this is, if you do this one, it is actually 2 square, then 3 square, then 4 square, and so on. So it is actually a sequence. It does not mean that sequence have to be the arithmetic means increasing or decreasing, but if it is following any particular order, then we can say it is a sequence. Can anyone tell me the next thing is a sequence or not? 2 3 5 7 11. Is it a sequence? Is it a sequence? Next one, 2 3 5 7 11. This one, let me know. If yes, why? If yes, why sequence? Yes, this is a list of prime numbers. Okay, so this is also a sequence. This is also a sequence, list of prime number. So basically sequence concept was important, but this sequence, what is sequence, that is not in your syllabus now. Okay, it is all deleted. What you have in your syllabus, that is the arithmetic progression. Okay, arithmetic progression, that is in your syllabus. What is arithmetic progression? A sequence is arithmetic if the difference between consecutive terms is constant. Okay, so let me give you an example. Suppose 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. Look, all the difference between consecutive, what is the difference between 10 minus 5? 5. 15 minus 10? 5. All the difference between consecutive terms is always constant. Okay, so this will called a arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence also. Okay, so here you can see a2 a1 denoted the first term, a2 denoted the second term, and so on, like that. An will be denoted the nth term. Okay, uh, so we are showing that a2 minus a1, that means succeeding term minus the preceding term, equal to same third term minus second term, succeeding minus preceding. Okay, it have to be a constant, which is we are denoting by d. So the sequence a1, a2, a3, a4 are said to be AP if the common difference is D is constant. If the common difference D is constant. Okay. So the difference between the consecutive term have to be constant. So what formula you have, the most important formula you have, that is the general term formula. General term, or sometimes it's called last term also. Okay, the formula is n equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. Okay, a plus n minus 1 into t. Or if it is the last term also, it is sometimes it's called l plus l equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is our formula. Now, yeah, here I'm saying this n means nth term, and l is denoting the last term. Formula is same, but sometimes it is called last term, so it is denoted by small l, or maximum time it is denoted by an, that is the nth term. Okay, now my question is, a is called first term. Okay, a is called first term, d is called common difference, n, the small n, is called number of terms. Okay, is called number of terms. Still coming so many students. Small n called number of terms. Okay, now for the only information, I'm giving this formula, sum of n terms on AP, but this is already deleted from your from your syllabus. This is already deleted, so no need to study this part. Sum of the AP formula, it already deleted, so I'm also deleting this one. Okay, no need to study this part. So basically I told that you have only exercise 2 in your syllabus. Okay, in exercise I mean from chapter 5. So let's discuss the question. From 1 to 2 is very easy. Okay, you can find by yourself. If you're having any difficulty, you can contact me later. Okay, or we can do some other test. I feel like from 4 it is the basic questions are there. So let's do. Okay, question number 4. So how to solve this arithmetic progression question? Arithmetic progression question, you can see, I told we'll use only this formula, right? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So how many variable is there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Instead of this 4 variable, okay, 3 variable you will given, and 1 variable you have to find. That's what we have to do in this chapter 5. Sorry, exercise 5.2. Okay, we have to just find out what we have to find. Basically, either you have to find n or a or n or nt, or other 3 variable will be given. Okay, so start with number 4. Number 4 is saying which term of the AP is 78. So AP is given 3, 8, 13, 18. Okay, which term of the AP is 78? So first start with a. Can anyone tell me what is the value of a here? Small a. A is the, here a is first term, right? A is first term. Then what is with d? What is the value of d? Anyone, what is the value of d? Answer fast, fast. Reply me. Yes, 5. D will be 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. Okay. What is n here? What is n here? N. What is n? No. N is not 78. Here an is 78. Okay. An is 78. That's the important thing. N we have to find. Look again, read the question. Which term of the AP is 78? That means we have to find this n. Which term? That means number of terms. N is number of terms. That n term we have to find. Which term? Okay. So 78 is the an. Okay. So let's find out the solution. So basically after that we have to put in the formula. Okay. We have to put inside this formula. Identifying these things is very important because everyone can remember the formula. Okay, identifying this part is very important, which is a, which is d, which is mm, uh, n and an. Okay, now put the formula. We know this. So an value is 78, a value we got 3, n value we don't know, minus 1 into d is 5. So next line we'll take the 3 that side. So we'll get 78 minus 3, and this side we'll get 5n minus 5. Okay, so if you simplify this one, 75 plus 5 equal to 5n. I'm taking this 5 again into the left hand side. So next line we can get 5n equal to 80. Next line n equal to 80 by 5, which is equal to 16. Okay, so n value is 16. Which term? That is, therefore answer is 16 term. Just giving the answer from next I will not give answer. Therefore 16th term is 78. Okay, let's do the next question. Find the number of terms in each. Okay, this question also the following GP. This question also same as question number 4, right? You can see we have to find number of terms. So 7, 13, 19, 205. First term is 7. Common difference to you obviously you can get, and then SN is this. Okay. For this question I'm just let's do. For question number 2 I'm doing. Okay. Question number 1 you can do by yourself. Fine. A equal to 18. Then common difference D will be equal to 15, 1 by 2 minus 18, which is equal to 31 by 2 minus 18, which is equal to, it will be, LCM will be 2, denominator will be 31 minus 36, which is equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay, and an is equal to minus 47. We have to find the n. Okay, so same as we know this, and start like this. We know this. So minus 47 equal to, a value is 18 plus n minus 1, sorry, n minus 1 into d value is minus 5 by 2. Okay, d value is minus 5 by 2. So next line we will simplify. Take the 18 to the left hand side. Right hand side will get minus 5 will get divided by 2. Numerator will get minus n, 5n minus 5. Okay, so basically what I'm doing, I'm multiplying 5 into n minus 1. Okay, I'm multiplying 5 into n minus. Okay, you can't hear my voice clearly. Is it Ruvani? Runani? Is it Runani and everyone? You can't hear my voice. If you can't hear, you just try one thing. You just cancel the class. I mean, cancel this one. I mean, cancel the call and come join again. Okay. If you are having any problem, yes, do like this. Okay. Fine. So basically what we did here, I multiplied 5 with n minus 1. Okay, first I take 18 to the left hand side and I'm multiplying 5 into n minus 1. Okay, so it is 5n minus 5 and denominator is 2 and this minus is this side. So next line minus 47 minus 18, how much? Minus 65, I guess, is equal to 2 and denominator 5n minus 5 and here minus sign. Okay, then from both side minus sign will be cancelled, so it will be 65 into 2 which is equal to 5n minus 5. Okay, from both sides this sign is cancelled. Now this simplification, 130 plus 5 equal to 5n. So I'm taking the 5 to the left hand side and right hand side only 5 remaining, so it will be 5n equal to 135. The next line n will be equal to 135 divided by 5 which is equal to 2 is 10, yeah, 27, I guess, yeah, 27. So the value of n is 27. So similarly same method use here also. Okay, this is do this one self study. After the class I will share this PDF file. Okay, this question you can do just self study, otherwise I can't do all the problems together in the class. Okay, this is division class. If anyone having any doubt you can ask me later, but do this one self study. Oh my gosh, so many students are joining still. It's almost half an hour. Okay, let's check the question number. This question is very, very important question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is that check whether minus 105 is a term of the AP or not. The AP is given and minus 150 is any term or not. Okay, so basically we have to consider this is a n. Okay, and we will try to find out the value of n. If the value of n we got, then we will say this is the term. If we did not get any value, then it will be no terms. Okay, here right here a equal to 11, d equal to 8 minus 11 which is equal to minus 3. Okay, and many of the students have tendency, sometimes when they say see decreasing GP, they used to subtract 11 minus 8. Always second term minus first term. Okay, whatever your second term is doesn't matter, always second term minus first term. And here an an is minus 150. N value we have to find. N value we have to find. Okay, so same, put the value. N value is minus 150 equal to a value is 11 plus n minus 1 and d value is minus 3. Okay, simplify, take the 11 to the left hand side, so we are getting minus 3 into n minus 1. Okay, then sorry, it is minus 150, so minus 150 minus 11 will be minus 161 which is equal to minus 3n plus 3. Then take minus 161 minus 3. Okay, I'm taking the 3 to the left hand side and here it is minus 3n. then it will be minus 3n equal to minus 164. So next line, n equal to will get will get minus 164 divided by minus 3. If you simplify this one, you'll get minus minus obviously cancel 5, 51, 115, 4, 54, 2 by 3. Okay, so n value we are getting 54 2 by 3. Okay, the thing is that in this equation, n, what is n equal to? Let's see the formula again. What do you mean by n? N is number of terms. Okay, and number of terms cannot be negative, cannot be fraction. Okay, we can't say there are 5.6 terms was there. Okay, it's like the student, there are 5.6 student, or there are 2 by 3 students was there, or there are minus 10 students was there. Okay, so n cannot be negative, cannot be fraction. Okay, so what conclusion we can what can we conclude from here? We get n equal to 54 2 by 3, which is the fraction. So we'll write as n, in bracket you can write number of, this is for your help only. Okay, number of terms cannot be in fraction. So n cannot be in fraction, that means minus 150 is not a term. Okay, minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Of the given AP, minus 150 is not a term. Fine. Uh, let's do next question. Next question is find the 31st of AP, term first of AP, whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. This kind of question is important question. Okay, this kind of question is important. So basically you have to find 31st term, but no first term is given, no common ratio is given, sorry, common term, common difference is given, or any number of terms only given. Okay, what you have to find? You have to find the 31st term. So how to do? Given given a 11 equal to 38, right? 11th term is 38 and 16th term a 16 is given 73. Okay, so we'll write let a be the first term and d be the common difference. D be the common difference. Okay, so a11 is equal to, therefore a11 equal to, what will be the a11? A11 equal to a plus 10d. Okay, n minus 1d. Okay, so a plus 10d, 11 means 1 less 10d, which is equal to 38. Okay, and a16 which is equal to a plus 15d is equal to 73. Fine. Next we have to mark this one as 1 and this one 2, or otherwise you can directly write also like Now 2 minus 1. I'm doing 2 minus 1. So what I'll get? 2 means a plus 15d minus a plus 10d. Okay, which is equal to 73 minus 38. Then it will be a plus 15d minus a minus 10d, and on the right hand side it will be 40 means 35, I guess. Yeah, then it will be a cancel, it will be 5d equal to 35. Then next line d equal to 35 by 5, which is equal to 7. Okay, so what I did, basically two terms, two information you was given. I am trying to drag information of a and d from there. Fine. So a11 and a16 given. A11 we know using the formula a plus 10d, when d and a is the common first term and d is the common difference. Fine. And a16 is a plus 15d. So from there we are finding the value of d. Now if we put the value of d in any one equation, we'll get the value of a. Okay, so now put d equal to 7 in equation 1. D equal to 7 in equation 1. So we'll get a plus 10 into 7 in 38, which is equal to a plus 70 equal to 38, which is equal to a equal to 38 minus 70. 38 minus 70 is 40, 32 minus 32. Okay, a is minus 32. So first term and common difference we already got. Look, first term and common difference is this. Okay, we have to find the 31st term. Let's do find the 31st term. Therefore 31st term is equal to 31st term is equal to a31, which is equal to a plus 30d. Okay, I'm directly using 30d because now we are not using the formula, because when these numbers are there, no need to, you just you'll be familiar whenever the a31 or a35, the coefficient of d will be always less than 1 than the number of terms. Okay, so a value is minus 32 plus 30d. 30d is 7, so it will be minus 32 plus 7 is 2110. If you simplify this one, it will be 180, 178, 178. Okay, that's the answer. The question is this. Okay, question number, it was 7. Let's see question number 8 what we have. Question number 8 is saying, any doubt up to question number 7? You can ask me if you have any doubt. If anyone having any doubt, question number 7, up to question number 7, you can ask. Okay, around the last part. Around last part means which last part? This line. Let me know. Finding the first term or before? and on the last part. Okay, look, so basically what we did here, first we have to find 31st term of the AP, but two information here given, that is 11th term and 16th term. So basically look, to find the 31st term, okay, we can understand this 30 n is 31 only info, but A and D first term and common difference is we have to find. For this reason we get will use these two line, these two condition, that 11th term is 38, A11 is 38 and A16 is 73. So if you put the value formula, A11 is A plus 10D which is equal to 38 and A plus 15D is 73. So after subtracting we are getting D equal to 7. Okay, this part I don't think it is difficult. Now when we find the D value, now I put D in the equation 1. Which is equation 1? This is 10 plus A plus 10D equal to 38. Okay, so A plus 10, D is 7 and 38. After simplification we got A equal to minus 32. Fine. So now A and D we already got. Okay, we already got A and D. So now we can find 31st term easily. A 31st term is equal to A31. A31 means what? A plus 30D. Why 30D? N minus 1. N is 30, 31. 31 minus 1 is how much? 30. So directly I am writing A plus 30D. Okay. Now put the value minus 32 for A, 30 into D. D is 7. So after calculation we get 178. Okay. Now it's clear. I'm recording this one, so after the class you will after the class by evening, today evening or tomorrow morning you will get the video, so you can play then again. Okay, question number 8. Question number 8 is saying that an AP consists of 50 terms. Okay, third term is given 12 and the last term is 106. We have to find the 29th term. Sorry, 29. Yeah, 29 and 49. 29th term. Yeah, 29th term. So this is also same question. Third term and last term is given. Okay, this question now you can do by yourself. I'm just giving you the information. After that you just do by yourself. Here this is same as last question. Here third term, that means A3. A3 is equal to A3 is equal to 12 and last term. What is the last term here? This consists 50 term. So last term will be A50. A50 is equal to 106. Okay, we have to find 29th term. So basically same before. Uh, I'm just doing some things that if rest of the part you have to do by yourself. Okay. Mm, Therefore, I'm giving the equation only. A3 is equal to what? Sorry. A3 is equal to A plus 2D, which is equal to given 12. Okay, this is equation 1 and A50, sorry, is given. A50 means what? A plus 49D, which is equal to 106. Mark this one 2. So from here also same 1 and 2, just from 2 you can just subtract 1, you will get D, and then if you put D in any of the equation you will get A. Then you have to find that A29. Okay, find A and D from 1 and 2, and then find this part. I'm giving you as a homework. Okay, just do this one. 29 is equal to A plus 28D. Just put the value. Okay, I hope you can do by this one by yourself. Fine. And if you find difficulty, you will let me know. We can do next day. So, because it's the same as number 7, so I'm not doing. Okay. Number 9. If the third and ninth term of an AP is this, which term of the AP is 0? This is a very good question. This is also same as before. This question is same as if the third term and ninth term is 4 and minus 8. So by this question, third term means A3 is equal to 4 and A9 is minus 8. Okay. A3 is 4 and A9 is minus 8. Okay. So here also as per question, therefore, same as before. A3 is equal to what? We can write A plus 2D. Mark this one number 1. And A9. A9 means A plus 8D. Okay. Which is equal to minus 8. Mark this one number 2. So we'll do now. We'll do this number 2 minus number 1. Okay. So basically it will be this one minus A plus 2D. Okay. Which is equal to minus 8 minus 4. So after solving calculation, when we do the calculation next line, A plus 8D minus A minus 2D. On the right hand side you will get minus 12. Then right hand side, left hand side you will get 8 minus 2D. That means 6D equal to minus 12, which is mean D equal to minus 12 by 6, which is equal to minus 2. Okay, D value we got. Now put D. Now put D equal to minus 2 in equation 1. In equation 1. Where is equation 1? Equation 1 is this. Okay. Oh, sorry. Here now I forget to put 4. A plus 2D equal to 4 now. So I forget to put A plus 2D equal to 4. Okay. So this equation D equal to put minus 2. A plus 2 into minus 2, which is equal to 4. Then A minus 4 equal to 4. So basically we will get A equal to 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Okay. 4 plus 4 is 8. So A and D we got. Now we have to find that which term of the AP is 0. That means we have to find here AN is 0. Okay, which term of the AP is 0? That means nth term AN we already have the 0. Okay, we have to find the N. Now here AN equal to 0 and N we have to find. N we have to find. Okay, we know we use the formula. I don't like to write the formula much, so this part is important, that how to find this one equal to which part is 0. Maximum student used to put n equal to 0. No, which term is 0? That means n, which nth term. An means nth term, so An is 0. So next put the values only. N is 0, A is 8 we got, N value we have to find, D value we got, D value how much we got? -2, na? -2. Then just do the simplification. 0 equal to 8 minus 2 n minus 1. Okay, next line, just 0 equal to 8 minus 2n plus 2. The next line, I'll take the 2n to the left hand side, and right hand side it will be left 10. The next line we can write n equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. Okay, so n it is the first fifth term will be 0. Okay, so we have to write the answer. Therefore fifth term of the AP is 0. Okay, is there any doubt regarding this question? This question is tricky question, good question. Sometimes it's the question is stuck, which term will be first negative. I don't know if you have this question or not. That question, type of question also is to come. Okay, so let's do next question, question number 10. Question number 10 will be the last question for today. The 17th term will be exceed this one. Here question number 10 is saying the 17th term of an AP exceed is 10 term by 7. Okay, 17 term exceed the 10 terms by 7. That means 17 term minus 10 term is 7. Let's write this thing. As per question, A17 minus A10 is equal to 7. Okay, let write down this one. Let A be the first term and D be the common ratio. Okay, A be the first term and B be the D be the common ratio. So A17 means what? A17 means A plus 16D. Okay, always remember, minus A10 means A plus 9D, which is equal to 7. Now if you simplify this one, it will be A plus 16D minus A minus 9D is equal to 7. So next line, A cancel, so it will be 7D equal to 7. So D equal to will be 7 by 7, which is equal to 1. Okay, a common difference. Yeah, a common difference. Oh, this is so short question. I did not realize. It's okay. Then we can do. We have some little more time. We can do some more question. Let's see. We have some little more question. Let's do 12, 11, 12 also. Question number 11. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than 54th? Here in this question is saying, let's do this one. In this question it is saying that which term of the AP, this AP 3, 5, 15, 27, 39, okay, will be 132 more than its 54th term. That means which term, we don't know, nth term, which nth term will be more than 54th term by how much? 132. That means that nth term minus 54th term will be equal to 132. Here a value given 3, okay, and common difference d is equal to 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Okay, so now put the formula only. Put the formula. What is the n formula? N formula is a plus n minus 1 into d, and a54 formula will be a plus 53d, okay, which is equal to 132. Then open the bracket, a plus n minus 1 into d minus a minus 53d, which is equal to 132. Then a cancel, it will be nd minus d minus 53d, which is equal to 132. Okay, then forget d is sorry, d is let's simplify d value, then we'll put, let's take d common. Okay, what will left here? Nd minus 54d, which is equal to 132. Then we'll take d common, so it will be n minus 54d equal to 132. We can put the value of d, right? In minus 54, d value is 12, which is equal to 132. Then just n minus 54 is equal to 132 divided by 12, which is equal to 1. Then n equal to 1 plus 54 equal to 65. So what we got? N value is 65. Okay, so which term of the AP? That is 65th term, 65th term. So let's finish today's class here. Okay, let's finish today's class here. Next day we'll start from question number 12. Okay, next day we'll start from question number 12. Okay, for then bye everyone. I hope everyone given the roll numbers and question section C. Who is the captain? Section C. I forgot the name.